Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your OnePlus Pad 2 Pro. So first, let's unlock the tablet. Now I'll show you what to do. Basically, go over to settings and first check the volume levels in the sound. So here, make sure that the media volume is turned up to the max. And now you can try and clean 4 of the speaker grills with a soft brush. Don't use anything metallic, you can only damage them, so use a soft brush or compressed air, and make sure to disable the Bluetooth, because when it's enabled, then audio might be routed to another device. So if none of those steps worked, then go over to settings and then go to system and update. Here go to software update and make sure that you're running the latest version of the OxygenOS. Now, if you don't, then that might cause the issue of your speaker not working and you need to update your version as fast as possible. If the software update did not help you, then go off to backup and reset, back up your data first in the backup and migrate. Now go to reset device and click erase all data. Now you will need to enter your lock screen password and then confirm that you want to reset the tablet. So that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.